there, Nokia mobsters. So we know Nokia for its mobile phones or smartphones and for some good accessories like these JBL Play Up speaker or like this new accessories power earbuds. But there is something new coming that also carries Nokia brand. We got it from our dear friends, Austrian friends, StreamView, and it's Nokia Smart TV Streambox 8000. So let's check it. It came over the UPS, so it's actually quite fast shipment if you are ordering this in Europe, because it's only available here in Europe. And okay, I won't be needing this knife. There it is. It's nicely boxed. Oh, let's check it. So Nokia or StreamView send us Streaming Box 8000, which can function up to 4K UHD. So this is basically Android TV that comes with the main box and the backlight remote control. So let's see technical specifications. So it runs Android 10. It supports Wi-Fi, dual band, so probably 5 GHz, 2.4 GHz also, Bluetooth 4.2. It has a LAN Ethernet connection, HDMI, USB A 3.0, 3.5mm AV, optical audio, USB-C, probably for charging or something. So you get in the box, you get the streaming box, of course, remote control, which is backlit. I'm looking forward to testing that. So power adapter, HDMI cable, and two AAA batteries. Okay, so it supports Dolby Audio, it got Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Chromecast built in, which is nice. Okay, so let's see the back. It has the Nokia logo there, Nokia Smart TV, Nokia box there, everything is tidy. Watch, play, do more on your TV, a smart way to watch, and that's it. So the main idea of this TV box that's gonna give you Prime Video, Disney, Netflix, YouTube, Google Play also, is that you can make your old TV, old LCD TV, a bit smarter with this TV box. And I just got one TV there that needs to get a little bit smarter. It's gonna be smarter than I am. So let's cut this open. Okay, let's see how it looks. So the TV box is nicely presented there, covered in protective plastic case. Oh. Okay, there it is. Hope you can see it. All the connectors there, so power cable, LAN, HDMI, 3.5mm jack for audio, audio out, it's optical, and USB-C, that's nice. Okay, so streaming box designed in California, which is good, model 8000, power 12 volts, USB-A, this is nice. So there is also another USB on the left side, on front you got nothing, on left you got nothing, on top just a gorgeous looking Nokia logo. Okay, let's go on. So you got Nokia Android TV user guide. Nobody reads that. Let's see what else is there. So you just raise this like this. Okay, this is warranty probably. Okay, UK, German, French, Italian. So here we got a charger. It's not a Nokia charger. Hope you can see this. Okay. We got the standard HDMI cable, probably 1 meter of length. You got this silicone beads, AAA batteries, 2 of those, and of course there is the backlit remote. Let's open this up. Remote looks nice. It's pretty long. Longer than Nokia 8.3. We got the shortcuts for YouTube, Prime Video, Netflix, Google Play. Got the Google Assistant, home button, settings, volume. And the batteries go there. So that's it for the unboxing. Stay tuned. We'll be testing this product in the next days. There's a reset button there. And we'll tell you how it is. Thanks for watching.